Hi all. In this video, we'll be discussing about an interview question in Tableau. And the question is how to compute dense rank in a calculated field using table down and pen down approach. So here we will not be taking the help of quick table calculation, but with the help of calculated field, we'll be seeing how to perform table down and pen down approach. So now let's get started. So for this, what I will do is I will drag category and subcategory to column shelf. So the reason I'm dragging category and subcategory is because category is the upper hierarchy and subcategory is the lower hierarchy. That means under each category, we have different subcategories. As you can see, under furniture, we have bookcases, chairs, furnishing tables. Then under office supplies, we have these subcategories. And under technology, we have this subcategories. Then I will take one measure, let's say sales. So this is the bar graph which shows category and subcategory wise what is the total sales. Now, I will create a calculated field where I will try to show the ranking of each and every subcategory with respect to sales. So for this, I'll create the calculated field. So here I'll not be using the quick table calculation to find out ranking, but I will be taking the help of calculated field. So the function that I'll be using is rank underscore dense. So in this function, we need to pass two arguments. The first argument is the measure with respect to which measure you are calculating the rank. So here we're calculating the rank with respect to sum of sales. I'll just mention that sum of sales. And the second argument is which order, ascending order or descending order. So if I mention descending order, that means the one which is having the highest sales will be rank 1. If I mention ascending order, that means the one which is having the lowest sales will be rank 1. So here I will take it as descending so that the one which is having the highest sales will be shown as rank 1. So I will mention it as DESC within quotes. Then I'll click on apply and OK. And I will drag this ranking to level. Now, as you can see, for phones, it is showing the rank as 1 because that is having the highest sales. And levels is having the lowest sales, so it is showing rank as 17. So here, it performs the table down approach. So irrespective of the subcategories, irrespective of the categories that you have, it calculates the ranking with respect to the subcategories. So it does not care about the categories. But what if I want to use pen down approach? Now, what happens in pen down approach? Let's understand that first. So let's say I want to show under each category. So this pen down approach basically performs the calculation with respect to the upper hierarchy. So that means under each category. So here category is the upper hierarchy. So under each category, if I want to apply the rankings on the subcategories. So as you can see, under furniture, chairs is having the highest rank. So chairs will be shown as rank 1. Then bookcases will be shown as rank 2. Then tables will be shown as rank 3. And furnishings will be shown as rank 4. Similarly, for office supplies, so storage is having the highest rank. So rank 1. Then appliances is rank 2 and so on. Similarly, for technology, phones is having the highest rank. So rank 1. Then comes copiers as rank 2. Then machines as rank 3 and accessories as rank 4. So here, basically, I'll be trying to show under each category what are the different rankings of subcategories. So in the pen down approach, the calculation is done with respect to the upper hierarchy. So in that case, what we need to do is we need to right click on this ranking calculated field, edit, and I will select default table calculation. Then I will select this drop down and select advanced. And here I will select the two dimensions that I'm using. So here I'm using category and subcategory. So I'll first select category and click on this arrow sign. So that will be shown over here. And then subcategory and click on this arrow sign. Then click on OK. Then at the level will remain as deepest. And over here, restarting every, I will select as category. So as you can see in the description, results are computed along category, subcategory. And the calculation restarts at 0. So here the calculation is ranking. So the ranking restarts at 0 for every category. So that is what we wanted. For every category, I wanted to show the rankings of the subcategories. So here the ranking is done with respect to the category. So ranking of the subcategories is done with respect to the category. But in the previous case, the ranking was done with respect to the subcategories, irrespective of whatever categories you have. Now I will just remove this and drag it again to level. Now, as you can see, under each category, it is showing us the ranking of the subcategories. So in this way, we can use the pen down approach for calculated fields. So that's it from this video. Thanks, everyone.